I'm going to explain to you how Alpus can help you to achieve your property development goals as a property investor in Hindhead. My name's Alan Edwards, and this is our presentation for you if you're a property investor in Hindhead. You can retain control of your property investor while we carry out services on your behalf to safeguard and make maximum profitability from your investment. Identify what your goals are and your long-term strategy, and we'll identify potential development sites for you. We'll prepare a contracting strategy to implement your project. We'll prepare contracts between you and your designers and contractors. We're your eyes and ears on the project and on site, and we report to you regularly about progress against plans. We make recommendations about the best actions to take on your project to safeguard your investment. Who am I and what led me here? I was indentured to a local building contractor as a management trainee for quantity surveying and estimating building works. I then planned and organised building projects for a large retail group, construction company, that was ABF Group. I worked for contractors for 13 years throughout the UK and also in the UAE. I then went into construction consultancy for 20 years, working in the UK and internationally for blue chip clients. I've managed projects for development and infrastructure clients, and I've changed my perspective about what is needed so as to see things from the client or customer standpoint. So I'm here today. Here's some of what I've done. Building and civil engineering projects from the smallest up to the largest size, largest being more than £1.5 billion. Residential conversions and new build, commercial, retail, hotel and industrial, infrastructure projects, rail projects, bridges, port reclamation works. I've worked in the UK, Europe, the Middle East and the Caribbean, and I've worked on schemes from design inception to completion and handover to operations. I've worked with many different types and forms of contract, including JCT, design and build, target cost, turnkey and FIDIC, and I've countered many contractors' claims. It's a testimonial from ACOM, Managing Director Europe, thanking me for the good work that I've done, and also from the country manager in Baku in Azerbaijan. Testimonial from the client in Azerbaijan, Jamil Muradov, Chairman of Gilan Holding. Testimonial from DLR, Rory O'Neill, Head of Projects at DLR, now Director of DLR, where I helped DLR to deliver the Stratford International Extension project in the run-up to the 2012 Olympics. This is an abstract from my portfolio of projects in the UK and overseas. Residential projects, local authority housing developments in North and West London, several of those, private redevelopment of a golf course, conversion projects and refurbishment, various, Chelsea Harbour residential, multi-storey, mixed use, luxury serviced apartments at Hyde Park Gate, Crescent Development Baku, Azerbaijan, mixed-use development, and Ajban residential lifestyle village in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Commercial projects, fine fare supermarkets, hypermarkets and shop fitting throughout the UK, that's for the ABF Group. Factory units at Farlington, Hampshire, Ladymead Retail Park, Guildford for Arundel House Securities, and Chelsea Harbour retail, restaurant and hotel for P&O developments. Office developments at Bevis Marks, St Paul's and Whitechapel for P&O developments. Apex Plaza, Reading for Prudential. Crescent Development offices for Gilan and government offices in Gaborone, Botswana. Also hotel projects, Intercontinental Hotel Abu Dhabi, Cable Beach redevelopment, Nassau, Bahamas, Emerald Beach Hotel in Nassau, Bahamas, Lucayan Beach Hotel, Freeport, Grand Bahama, all for the Hotel Corporation of the Bahamas, Lanesborough Hotel, London for Bond Corporation initially, Dorchester Hotel refurbishment working for Ferris and Watson, and Crescent Development Hotel, Baku, Azerbaijan for Gilan. So what are the property development opportunities in the Hindhead property market? There are changes of use cases being implemented in the UK in September 2020, which means that you have permitted development rights to carry out certain types of commercial to residential conversions or demolition of unused commercial buildings and replacement with residential. These changes of use case give the possibility of big increases in value. That's the difference between commercial and residential values. Commercial prices are reduced because of the recession, and there's the potential of massive profits from change of use to residential. There's also the opportunity to refinance for the long term and therefore triple your profits potentially. The Alpus formula for property development success in Hindhead is: Step 1, identify potential development sites. Step 2, preliminary design and feasibility. Step 3, site acquisition and planning permission. Step 4, marketing and sales plan. Step 5, detailed design and construction. Step 1, identify potential development sites. We have a network of contacts throughout the UK as well as in Europe, so we can identify potential development sites for you. We'll offer you potential development sites depending on the area in which you'd like to invest and the value of the investment you'd like to make. We currently have potential development sites in Hampshire, Surrey and Sussex, as well as other parts of the UK. Step 2, preliminary design and feasibility. Alpus will help you to arrange the necessary designers and consultants for your proposed property development. We'll prepare the contracts for you to sign. We will prepare a contracting strategy to implement your project, and we'll prepare a feasibility study / development appraisal for your project. Once you're happy to proceed to implementation, we will help you with the next steps. Step 3, site acquisition and planning permission. We'll guide you through the next steps while keeping your risk to the minimum. We may recommend that you take out an option to purchase the site, subject to planning permission, since this is least risk for any investor. In other cases where there are permitted development rights, we may recommend outright purchase of the site. We'll appraise you of the risks at all stages. Funding and cash flow considerations and refinance for the long term. Alpus will help you to appraise your potential development site for maximising profitability. We will advise you whether it's appropriate to hold the site for the long term and dramatically increase your profitability. We can help you to identify funding sources for financing your property development. Once you're happy to proceed to implement your property development, we will help you with the next steps. Step 4, marketing and sales. Depending on the type of property development you may wish to carry out, we can help you to arrange the appropriate marketing and sales campaign, whether it's for residential, including retirement homes, commercial, industrial, hotel or mixed use. Step 5, detailed design and construction. We will arrange your property development for the most appropriate contracting strategy depending on your priorities. We will seek bids based on the preliminary design documents and pre-qualified contractors. We will recommend and advise you which is the most appropriate designer or contractor to use. We will manage all contracts on your behalf. Contracting strategy. We may recommend one of the following preferred strategies: either design and build contract, where the contractor undertakes detailed design, or construction management, where there's no main contractor, but we would manage a series of trade contractors on your behalf. We'll arrange things so as to protect you from delays and minimise the possibility of contractual claims. Step 5, detailed design and construction. Depending on the particular project, we will advise you regarding the most appropriate means of getting all the designs and construction completed. We also have recommendations about how to improve your profitability by offering various options to customers or clients. We will take account of proposed handover arrangements for operation. During our appraisal of the project, we will also advise you regarding any possibilities for the use of system building methods and modular construction. This will be for optimization of the program and certainty of achieving your timescales and return. At all stages, Alpus will ensure you're advised and have systems in place for the following aspects: project management or construction management, health and safety, quality assurance and control, environmental management and control, risk assessment, analysis and management, and stakeholder management. To recap, with our 5-step property development success formula, we will help you with identification of potential development sites, preliminary design and feasibility, including funding and cash flow considerations and refinance for the long term, acquire site and planning permission, marketing and sales, detailed design and construction, including system building considerations. If the service we offer is of interest to you as a property investor in Hindhead, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. www.alpusgroup.com. I'm Alan at alpusgroup.com. My phone number is 07539141257. We'll give you a proposal based on your specific requirements and our unique knowledge and expertise of our team and our professional partners and network. We operate in the UK from our offices in North Hampshire. See you on the next video. Cheers.